Krista Jones here from Dave and Krista, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your plugins. So when we see people having trouble with their websites, especially with their Elementor websites that run on WordPress, one of the biggest reasons for those issues happening is because they didn't update their plugins. So updating plugins is actually really simple. You can either click on this little update right here. It'll show you at any time that you have a plugin update, there'll be a number. Or you can come down here where you see the little red dot next to plugins and go to installed plugins. Once you're on this page, if anything needs to be updated, you'll see this option to update it now. And all you have to do is hit update now. It might take a minute, but once it loads, then that plugin will automatically be updated. We generally check on our plugins every week and try to keep everything updated to make sure that we don't run into any issues. So if you have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to us at support@davyandkrista.com.